In this video, I show you exactly step by step how you can get paid for doing nothing with 5 different brand new apps that you will want to check out. The highest paying app is definitely what you want to start with, but as we go on in the video, I'll show you the higher paying apps, and the highest paying app will be at the end. The first program is called Mod Mobile. Is an app that allows you to turn your smartphone into a revenue phone using their own proprietary revenue operating system. As you can see, they have more than 150 million revenue and savings by their users. And then they allow you to basically earn up to $1,200 a month from this particular program for doing nothing privately, and allowing you to earn money for sharing that internet. And it's completely safe to use, so it's a great app to use that you can even let it run while you're listening to music on the web, everything you do on your phone. You will now get paid for everything you do. As you can see here, you get paid $100 plus per month depending on how much you use your phone. 150 million paid users. For proof, here you can see some of these videos. Watch. And you can get PayPal gift card, Amazon gift cards, Google Play directly to your Visa MasterCard bank account in your own way, and all the above is very easy to use. Even some top retailers like Best Buy, Amazon, Walmart they use it. So this is a great app to start with. Even if you go to the Google Play Store, you can see they have a top 4 rating, so 2 million people are using this app and getting paid every day. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorial. The number 2 program that costs more for this program is called Package Share app on your device without having to work to register for an account. And you can earn by sharing internet and keep earning and withdraw cash anything. And you can even see how much you can earn up to 50 cents per gig of data. Very easy to use. You can make $400 in passive income easily just by having this app on your cell phone, and obviously you can do more than that. They just show you how much you know the minimum and maximum you can make, and then even more than that, and you can even share it with your friends and get 10 of everything they get, so you can get paid for sharing too. So that's amazing. It's one of the best app that pay people for just having a phone. They have a top 4 rating on Google Play Store, which is very good, and if you like, you can download it from here on Google Play Store. The next app is called Tapestry. Using it, you can use your data properly. It's your data and you should get paid for it. So if you're borrowing other people use their data properly, you can get paid just for having this app. Download the app and sign up. Terms and conditions. It's on the Apple Store. Google Play Store works in background, and after that you will be paid for normal life. Its payment plan is very easy. If we go to Google Play Store, they are rate for. So this is a newer app that you can use. Actually, the last step I want to show you is the newest program, and it literally takes a little bit. No competition, so they give the most money to their new users. The fourth app is called Generate. Now, Generate makes your data work for your day. Basically, if you can download it to your computer, they have a Chrome extension that lets you block tracks and earn from browsing, write and save some money there to pay them Amazon gift card and Netflix gift cards, Spotify coupons, PayPal gift cards. You can earn your points and then buy the rewards as soon as possible. And here you can see the founder that you can watch. So if we go to the Google Play Store, we can see that their rating is above 4. So it's a very new app. You're going to have millions of people start using it before you know it, and the payouts are getting smaller and smaller. App 5 is called Abapu, one of the newest that takes control of your data and gets paid to share it. Very new app, and you can sign up, basically download it on Google Play Store. It will teach you everything. Its rating is above 4. Too high and few comments means fewer users allows us to earn more money.